you have a plea deadline date. Your plea deadline date was extended. You can either accept this plea or either you can go to a bench trial or jury trial. Those are your three choices. So one, do you want to accept the plea? Yes or no? I don't know what the plea is, but do you want to accept it? And then that's it. And usually there's really nothing to cross the chemist about unless it's a bad chemist, has some bad things in their past as far as their inability to test and identify drugs. So usually the chemist part is out the window because they don't have a dog in this fight. Then the state will call the police officers in. Your attorney will have a chance to question them. So here are your choices today. And if the answer is no, what's going to end up happening, the court will not accept any plea bargaining agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you're going to have to plea open to the court. So first question, have you received an offer from the state?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to accept it? Yes or no? Well, no, here's the thing. I don't want you to be rushed. Are you sure this is what you want to do?
I'll get out in more years if I take it to trial.
No, here's the thing.
Yeah.
What I will do is they're saying they're going to keep it open until Monday.
Yeah.
We're going to have you come back on Monday. Your defense attorney is going to be here at 9 a.m. on Monday.
I'll visit him this weekend.
All right. And then we will bring you over. And if you want to accept the offer, then I'll hear it and I'll go from there. And what I can tell you is when the state presents their evidence to me, even though you're entering a plea of it, I still have to review it and see if the state has proved their case beyond a reasonable doubt. So I'm another person who looks at it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So we're going to bring you back on Monday. And after that, there will be no further extensions.
Appreciate you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. Have a good one. You too.
A few moments later.
Oh,
How you doing today?
I'm doing great. So when were you hired on this case?
Friday, Your Honor.
All right. So here's the thing. I don't allow people to do this thing where they wait till the last minute to hire an attorney so they can get a continuance and their attorney is entitled to 10 days. Do you understand? So I'm giving him exactly 10 days. So you're coming back on the 27th and you're going to jury trial. My understanding, state, is this offer still on the table or no? All right. So today is your plea deadline date. So either you all reach an agreement or you have not reached an agreement. If you're not reaching an agreement today, then the court will not consider any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you're going to have to plea open to the court. So you're coming back for jury trial on May 27th.
Thank you, Judge.
Anything else?
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, they're on the docket for jury trial May 27th and they're number one. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Much later.
All right, you all are scheduled for jury trial today. You filed a motion for continuance?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, and why?
We have several reasons. We do have a motion to inspect and examine evidence, which if granted, I think will require us some time to inspect and examine that visible evidence.
Why wasn't that done before today?
Because, Your Honor, through preparation with my client, which was very limited because of the time frame which we represented him,